Muscle up is a movement I feel anyone could do with time and practice. In order to be able to do a muscle up, I do believe that you need to be somewhat proficient with regular pull-ups in order to be able to execute the muscle up. In my honest opinion, if you're able to do 10 pull-ups and 10 dips, you will definitely be able to do a muscle up. Muscle up is an amazing workout as you can target so many different muscle groups at once, and it increases your athletic capabilities. I think that the muscle up is more of a technical skill rather than a power strength move. If you're doing a completely strict muscle up, then yes, that's all strength based, but for a regular muscle up using a bit of momentum, it's more of a rhythm, timing, and technical move. So if you can get the timing and the movement right combined with your ability to do regular pull-ups and dips, you'll be able to do the muscle ups. A few critical points to understand when it comes to doing a muscle up is first, you are creating a sort of arc when you're catapulting yourself up. If you're trying to do a muscle up from right beneath the bar will pretty much be in the way. It'll be ideal to stand slightly behind the bar as this will give us some forward momentum when we jump to hang on to the bar. Now, when we swing back, focus on bringing the knees to the chest as you pull up to give us that extra thrust. By creating an arc as you're coming up, it will allow you to have space to eventually get over the bar and complete the muscle up. The second critical point is wrist movement and rotation. Oftentimes, people start to get the timing down and be able to get high enough on the bar, but they'll find themselves stuck and not actually being able to complete the muscle up. This is because their wrist is stagnant in the normal grip position when you're doing a regular pull-up. But by learning to actually rotate the wrist as you're coming up high onto the bar, we want our chest to almost be sitting on top of the bar so that we could finalize the dip position and movement. If you can find a lower bar, practice doing negative muscle ups where you start from the top and slowly come all the way down. Doing this will help us to get more comfortable with the movements. Before doing this workout, make sure that you're properly warmed up so that you can avoid possible injuries. Hope this video helps. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them on the comment section below. If you guys found it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.